Welcome to the latest edition of Rare Diseases Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest.
FDA expanded HYMPAVZI, Pfizer's once-weekly subcutaneous non-factor prophylaxis for hemophilia A or B. The label now includes patients aged 12 years and older with inhibitors, as well as pediatric patients aged 6 to 11 years with or without inhibitors. The update broadens treatment access and may influence future prescribing and payer evaluations.
Health Canada accepted FILSUVEZ, Chiesi's birch triptopines topical gel, for priority review in wounds associated with dystrophic and junctional epidermolysis bullosa. The submission covers patients aged 6 months and older and represents a significant regulatory milestone while the product remains under review. The European Commission approved LOJUXTA capsules for pediatric patients aged 5 years and older with homozygous familial hypercholesterolemia. The approval expands use beyond adults and supports treatment alongside diet and other lipid-lowering therapies.
Asedebart announced publication of Phase 2 Rainbow study data for nizubaglustat in GM2 gangliosidosis and Niemann-Pick type C disease. Published findings reported safety, tolerability, and encouraging signs of reduced disease progression and seizure burden, supporting ongoing Phase 3 development. Lundbeck presented preliminary Phase 2 Part A data for asedebart, an investigational anti-ACTH monoclonal antibody for Cushing's disease. Results showed urinary-free cortisol normalization in most evaluable adults following individualized intravenous dose titration, providing encouraging evidence for continued development. Johnson & Johnson reported Phase 2-3 energy trial results for IMAAVY, also known as nipocalimab AHU, in warm autoimmune hemolytic anemia. The 30 milligrams per kilogram treatment group achieved a statistically significant durable hemoglobin response compared with placebo and demonstrated an early improvement in hemoglobin levels. Medicus Pharma submitted a request to the FDA for rare pediatric disease designation for SkinJect in Gorlin syndrome. The investigational doxorubicin microneedle array patch is being developed for basal cell carcinoma and reflects continued investment in rare disease innovation. Precigen announced that PAPZIMEOS received FDA orphan drug exclusivity for recurrent respiratory papillomatosis. The decision extends market exclusivity through August 2032 and strengthens the product's commercial position in this rare disease setting.
Stay ahead in rare diseases research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at